Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to a North Wales side-by-side video. What I'm going to show you today is one of the easiest service items to change on your Toyota Yaris hybrid. It's something you won't see because most of these cars are still in the Toyota service schedule, and it's something that the main dealers will perform. What we're going to change today is an air cleaner. So the first thing you need to do is go and buy an air filter. So here we have a new air filter, part number 17801 K0030, genuine Toyota air filter. Locate your bonnet pull and click the bonnet. Open your bonnet and prop the bonnet up with the bonnet stay. Put your bonnet stay in the bonnet stay hole, so the bonnet's now supported, and you're presented with an engine bay. Locate the air cleaner. It's here, behind the passenger side headlight, in front of the fuse box. You don't need to take any of the tubes off or any of the wiring. You need to locate that clip, and pop them off. Noting now the airbox lid is actually hinged on two little pegs down the back. So what you need to do is hinge the lid up and pull it forward. You can now lift the lid out the way, which exposes the air filter. Whilst you're in there, have a look inside the airbox. Make sure there's no water, no leaves, no debris. So the air filter's now out. Let's go and get the new air filter, which I've got on the passenger seat. Sorry, the driver's seat. One new air filter. Make sure it's the same, compare it. You can see the difference in colour. New one is in my hand, that being the old one. That's the top face. So let's compare the bottom faces. You can see the difference in colour. This one's a lovely pink. This one is used. It's dirty. All you do now is get your new air filter, slide it into the airbox, drop it in so it's sealed. These are the two tabs I was telling you about that the airbox locates on, so you now need to locate them back into their slots and it's not that easy with one hand, so there we go. We've located the two tabs at the back, so the airbox is now on its hinge. Push down, and click the two spring clips back on. That's your air filter changed on your Yaris Hybrid. It couldn't be any simpler. Dispose of that in an environmentally friendly way. I'm going to put that back in the box, and I'm going to dispose of that in recycling. You're finished. A job anybody can do, but a job 99% of us leave to the main dealer. You don't need to, you can do it yourself. If your air filter gets to the point where it's as dirty as mine, or the other time to check this, if you've been through a really deep puddle and you suspect you might have ingested some water through the inlet system, so easy to check. Right, let's close the bonnet up and we'll call that job good. Thanks for watching the North Wales side-by-side video. I hope that is useful for somebody. Please consider liking, please consider subscribing.